So moving on to the wax begonias. Now, wax begonias, honestly, they are my go-to flower for just, super simple care. There's really nothing that you have to do with the wax begonias. They just perform. They can handle the sun or full shade. They just perform. That's great. They're almost like that perfect flower that can handle full sunshine to full shade. They just don't fuss at all. And again, they have this really big thick leaf, and they can go dry. When they go dry, nothing happens. They just kind of sit there. They just kind of sit idle. Where you have a petunia or all kinds of other flowers that they go dry, boy, they start fussing. And wax begonias don't do that. And what's really cool is the leaves are even different. So you can see the difference in these two. I have the green leaf wax begonias, but also there's this bronze leaf wax begonia that just, if you want a different look, this bronze color is really neat. But I love using this even in like mixed combo planters. You put some nice baskets together or combo planters, and you have all different things. Wax begonias are always my go-to for, I need a little filler here and there, and I just want to put a little something in there. I usually stick in a wax begonia because it just fills that up. It'll grow in real nicely, and they don't fuss at all, but they give that nice little dainty flower. There's not a whole lot that you have to do. I don't do anything really with the wax begonias. Yeah, if you want to run your finger through and maybe clean up some of those spent flowers, you can do that. And what really helps is when you water them and when they're wet and you just run your finger through and it's just kind of wet, those spent flowers will just kind of stick to your fingers, and then you can just get rid of them. The wax begonias, those can take sun or shade. So definitely full sun for the moss roses and the gazanias, but the wax begonias, they can take either or. They're all going to be fertilized once a week with the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. That helps keep driving and pushing those blooms out nicely. So, and really they're so easy to care for. They're drought resistant, which is a great bonus for so many of, especially our customers. They have the cabin, and they can these three flowers, they really can tolerate being a little bit more abuse than your normal bedding plants can. So consider the gazanias, the moss roses, or the wax begonias, where if you have those areas that really need a hot, dry conditions or something that's just really carefree. Please be sure to give us a thumbs up and follow us on Facebook, and be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube. And you can also head on over to our beatyourneighbor.com website, and we have lots of blog articles and tips and tricks there, and of course our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer is available, and that's all over at beatyourneighbor.com. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.